Yo, it's Chopper here once again, and as you can see in New York, it's summer already. It's nice and hot outside. We in shorts, we in t-shirts. Now we can work on these cars 100%. Even the Chopper's out. What are you doing now? But today, what I plan on doing is, you guys remember I did the rotors and the pads on the coupe right here. So, what I'm gonna do today actually, since it's gonna rain for the next couple days, I'm actually gonna paint the calipers and see how they come out. Like, I know you guys remember they were looking horrible. I need a wash too. Look at this. I need the ill wash on this car. So I'm gonna shoot over to AutoZone and get some caliper paint, and I'll be painting these calipers with my boy Franco today. So let's get it. Let's go. Let's start this bad boy up. Let's get it. Woo. Now this clutch hitting now. This clutch is hitting. Yes, sir. This is a clutch now. You guys want to know what clutch I went with now? Make sure you go to my previous vlog. Not the last one, the one before the last. And you'll see what clutch I went with there. So click that video and check it out. Okay, y'all, so I got the paint for the calipers. This is what I got right here. VHT, flame proof. This is like for headers, but usually the temperature rating for caliper paint is about like 500 degrees to like 1,000. This one's actually stronger than that, so it's 1,300 to 2,000 degrees. So I like using this a lot better, and I chose this silver, like natural color. I kind of like the calipers looking more or less how they came from the dealer. So that's what I'm doing now. But I gotta wait like crazy because y'all know my boy Franco right here wanna do 10 jobs. Huh, Franco?
Hey.
You wanna do 10 jobs before doing my calipers? Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna sneak a little quick wash before we do the calipers, because after the calipers is painted, I can't wet the car. So make sure, give it a little nice wash real quick, and then while we wait for Franco, we got the rim off. Here's what the calipers look like. So, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take the pads off. I'm gonna show you guys the easy way to do this. I'm gonna take the pads off, and I'm gonna hit this with like a little bit of wire brush on the drill and clean it up real nice. So, that's what we're doing next. Let's get it. So check this out, guys. I already painted the caliper, but this is my way of painting calipers. I'll wrap the rotor with a bag, everything back here with plastic. You don't need that much coverage if you know what you're doing, you know what I mean? So I take out the pads, unmount the caliper and the bracket, clean it up, and then I mount everything like if the pads is on, but without the pads on. Because I don't really like to paint the pads with the caliper together. So here's the finished product. What do you guys think about the silver look? See how I didn't paint the pads? I just did the caliper. I think it looks way cleaner like that. So especially with the drill slotted rotor, which comes like in a black. So I think it's looking really nice. Check it out. Much cleaner. It looks like how the cars come now, OEM, with that silver caliper like that. I'm not really a big fan of painting calipers different colors unless they're like a aftermarket caliper, like a Brembo, a Willwood, or something like that. I feel like the silver right here will make it look real clean. And it's just gonna clean up the look of the car. Let me put the wheel on and I'll show you guys what it looked like with the wheel on. Let's get it. The job is completely done. Calipers is done. Frontal finished up. Put the wheel on. And this is what they're looking like. What you guys think? Looking clean too, without painting the pads. I think that looks disgusting whenever they paint the caliper and paint the pads with it. I just think it looks weird. So I think like this it looks much better. Let me give you another view from back here. Maybe zoom in. See how good it looks in the front there? And the other side, I'll show you right here. Woo! Oh, that's the rust that everybody loves. Here you go, bro. So, that's the other side here. It's looking real clean. I'm happy with how it's looking. Next thing, I think we're gonna do this conversion in the back, so that's coming soon. How about this wash right here? Look at this armor all shining. You know I'm half Puerto Rican, so that's my half Puerto Rican side with the armor roll. So you know I love that, but look how this car's looking nice and washed. I waxed it a little bit too, so I can't wait to paint it and do that, clear that hood. It's gonna make it. It's the inside. Ooh, them seats too, they're looking real nice in here. But the car was so dirty, I ain't washed it for like a week and a half. So now it's nice and washed, waxed it. It's looking real good. I'm gonna end this video here. I wanna thank you guys, like I do every time, for every like, comment, and everyone that subscribes. If you're new to my channel, stay tuned, man. I got this EG Coupe that you seen on this video, and I also got a 700 horsepower Civic hatchback EK, which is turbocharged. So just stay tuned. I'm dropping more videos, more fire stuff, and now the weather got hot here in New York, so I'll be doing a lot of cool stuff coming up, man. So with that being said, love every single one of y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. It's Chopper out of here. See ya.